Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to take you on a virtual tour of Shipra Mall in Indirapuram, Ghaziabad and share my overall experience with you. The mall is spacious and has a variety of stores selling everything from clothing to electronics.
Check it out.
So when it comes to food, the mall has a lot of options to explore and the food court has a range of options to choose from and they offer some great dining experiences and I tried out some of the food options like I tried out Haldiram Chhole Bhature which I will show you in the last of the video, so please bane rahiye.
Check it out. Check it out.
So now I have ordered the famous Chhole Bhature of Haldiram and I hope that I could not be disappointed by this because I love Chhole Bhature. The dish arrived hot and fresh on my plate and it looked absolutely delicious. The chole is perfectly spiced and the bhature is soft and fluffy, so I could not stop myself from taking a bite. So bye bye guys.